I'm Danny from the Product Strategy Department at Stampin' Up, and I'm here to tell you a little update about the Take Your Pick tool that I introduced you to previously. This is our lovely Take Your Pick tool, and I'd like to introduce you to our new Take Your Pick die brush tip. So the die brush tip, you unscrew the putty and add the die brush tip. It comes with the brush tip and then 2 foam pads that you're going to use like this. And what you can do is take your die after you've pulled it out of your die, and a lot of times you'll have the pieces that are still left inside. If you take your brush and then you can see it helps you to get all those extra hanging pieces out of your die. And you're left with a beautiful die cut piece to put on your cards. I hope that you enjoy using your Take Your Pick die brush tool as much as I do. Be sure to contact your local Stampin' Up! Demonstrator or visit our website at stampinup.com to order yours today.